Alright, y'all, welcome back to the video. This video, I'm upgrading the suspension on my Razor. So, I've got ride or die front forks that I'm putting on, and I got the brake kit for it. I'm still waiting on my rear shock, but let's go ahead and get into the disassembling this front fork. Got the forks on, and then right now I'm gonna work on getting fork guards on and the front brake on. Let's go and get into the final. Alright, so the brakes, they were taking a while to get on just because they were hard to put on. Just because I didn't really know what I was doing. And I did look at videos, but that's why I didn't record putting the brakes on. It snowed. 100% shouldn't have my Razor out here in this. But it's alright. One thing to know, if you are getting ride or die front forks, they are like really heavy. My stock Razor MX650 forks are not heavy at all, which I thought that my stock forks were a lot heavier, but no, these are. So I wonder if I'll be able to pop wheelies. But I kind of just wanted to ride it. Oh yeah, that suspension feels good. So my brakes are rubbing like a lot. So my bike's kind of struggling right now. Only reason is because my brakes are rubbing a decent amount. So I'm gonna have to wear these brakes down before I can do like top speed pulls with it on, with the front forks on, and before I can probably do wheelies. But this thing looks good. And that noise you're hearing is probably like in your ears right now. That's my front and rear brake rubbing. My brakes rub really bad. But I'm pretty sure that's because my front and rear wheels are like sort of bent. So this is my first time having front brakes on in a long time actually. But one thing I'm planning on doing soon, whenever I can save up, I plan on getting a hot pack 72 volt kit for this. Just because this is an Amazon kit that I have on it. And I'm gonna have to end up buying a wiring harness soon so I can put on my surround throttle that I bought. Which sucks. But gotta do what you gotta do. And just because I feel like through this some of this stuff, my tires should be spinning. But the other day, me and Luke went up to the pickleball court. And we were just riding around. We went to the pickleball court and we were actually doing like donuts. See if I can do a stop. I can't. see if I can do another one. Oh! See if I can pop up a wheelie. Do a knee knocker. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah. I'm also not fully charged either. I'm at 50 volts, which is like 70-some% battery, which is not the best to try and wheelie on. I'm still waiting on my rear shock, which should come Wednesday. But hoping I can save up money soon so I can get a hot packs kit. Because I'm probably gonna try and sell this kit that I have on it for like a few $100s, including battery. I'm not gonna like sell it for what I bought it for, obviously, because it's used. But nobody's gonna pay how much I paid for it for a used one. So it's probably gonna get sold for like $300, including battery. That's about half what I paid for both. Oh, all this road salt. Oh, why did I do that? But I feel like the front end's kind of weighing down and like not giving me as much speed as I should have. But it's really soft and comfortable. I do need to get some new pegs. That's the next thing on the list, is pegs. After I get a wiring harness. Zip up my coat. Yes, I'm wearing my coat and everything. It's cold. I don't even know why I'm riding. See, can I do burnouts? Oh yeah. With the new tire on, that's not good. But it's whatever. Ooh. Oh, this is starting to thaw out. Now what I'm doing to hopefully wear down this a little bit is pulling my brakes just a little bit as I'm going. Which that does put a lot of stress on my motor, but I think it'll help. Yeah, we're going down in voltage kind of quick, but I haven't charged this thing in like a week or two, just because it's been so cold and hasn't really been good conditions to ride. And my neck hurts. Let's see if I don't slip out. Hope I don't. Oh, I'm going off the concrete. And I kind of got to go this way either way, just because of the ruts. Yeah, this is the concrete that I just got that concrete. See if I can. Ooh. Go this way. Yeah, I'm definitely slower, but not by much. But after these brakes get worn down, I should be good. But with that being said, if y'all like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, because there should be some more Razor videos coming soon. And in a few months, probably like 2 or 3 fishing videos will be back. So stay tuned for all that. And if y'all like this, and if y'all want to see more, just like and subscribe. And see y'all later.